Hello, I'm Satwik. I'm currently pursuing my BBA and I also freelance in the music industry.
So Satwik, what doubts or fears did you have about entrepreneurship and how did EnPower program help you overcome them?
I think a common doubt that entrepreneurs have and aspiring entrepreneurs face is self-doubt. We're not sure that we are cut out for the game. We don't know if we have what it takes to be an entrepreneur. So I think and the EnPower program has helped me in that way by setting clear expectations from what the entrepreneurship journey looks like, and they don't sugarcoat it. So I think having that understanding has helped me come over that anxiety.
Great. If you could give your pre-EnPower self one piece of advice, what would it be?
If I could give my pre-EnPower self one piece of advice, I would say is to just go and do it. Push yourself out of your comfort zone and put yourself in environments where you can grow.
Wow. Can you recall a breakthrough moment during the program when it all just clicked for you? What was that aha moment for you?
I think one moment that particularly clicked for me was during one of our lectures where I was sitting and I just basically saw all my fellow batchmates and saw that they were all coming from different backgrounds and different skills. So I sort of felt at ease knowing that everyone here is pushing themselves out of their own comfort zones and coming here to learn something. So I think I felt better about being there by noticing that.
Great. If you could share one golden nugget of wisdom with the future EnPower participants, what would it be?
If I could share one nugget of wisdom with future participants is that push yourself out of your comfort zones, go get what you want, put yourself in environments where you can learn and grow.